Welcome to Mastering 8D, Problem Solving. In the next few minutes, we will walk through the 8 disciplines that transform how organizations identify root causes and implement permanent corrective actions. Let us get started. We begin by understanding what the 8D methodology is and why it has become the gold standard for structured problem solving. The 8D process follows a sequential flow where each discipline builds on the previous one to drive permanent resolution. We start by forming a team with the right skills and knowledge to investigate and resolve the problem. A precise, data-driven problem description ensures the entire team is aligned on what we are solving. Containment actions protect the customer immediately while we investigate the root cause. We use tools like fishbone diagrams and 5-why analysis to uncover every potential root cause. Verification ensures we are addressing the true root cause, not just a symptom. Now let us explore how we move from identifying the root cause to implementing permanent solutions and preventing recurrence. The final disciplines focus on implementing lasting solutions and embedding lessons learned into organizational processes. D6 is where we design, test, and implement the permanent corrective actions that eliminate the root cause. D7 ensures the same problem never happens again by updating standards, procedures, and control systems. D8 closes the loop by documenting everything we learned and recognizing the team's contribution. Many organizations default to quick fixes. Let us compare that approach with the structured 8D methodology. Ad hoc fixes may seem fast, but they lead to recurring problems, wasted resources, and frustrated teams. The 8D approach invests time up front to deliver permanent solutions and continuous organizational learning. Effective 8D practitioners rely on proven analytical tools at each stage of the process. Is not analysis helps us define exactly what the problem is and, equally important, what it is not. By asking why 5 times, we peel back layers of symptoms to reach the fundamental root cause. The fishbone diagram organizes potential causes into categories, ensuring we consider all contributing factors. A verification matrix tests each potential root cause against the evidence to confirm or eliminate it. To get the most from the 8D process, we need to follow these critical success factors every time. The quality of the 8D outcome depends directly on having the right people with the right knowledge on the team. Data-driven decisions prevent us from chasing assumptions and ensure our conclusions are verifiable. Protecting the customer while we investigate is non-negotiable and demonstrates organizational responsibility. Every completed 8D report becomes part of our organizational knowledge base, preventing future problems. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of the 8D problem-solving methodology. The methodology ensures nothing is overlooked as we move from problem identification to verified resolution. The discipline of verifying root causes before implementing solutions is what makes 8D so effective. D7 and D8 transform each problem into an opportunity to strengthen the entire organization. No single function can solve complex quality problems alone, which is why team formation is Discipline 1. If this preview resonated with you, the full Udemy course provides detailed walkthroughs of each discipline with templates, real-world case studies, and hands-on exercises. Enroll today and master the art of permanent problem solving. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Go solve problems the right way.